In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all unread emails in Yahoo Mail. If your inbox has piled up and you want a fast, reliable way to clear only the unread messages, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish, including how to permanently remove them so they don't come back. First, open a web browser and sign into your Yahoo Mail account. The process is most consistent on desktop, so if you're on a phone or tablet, consider switching to a computer for this task. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Under Smart Views, find the Unread view. Clicking Unread filters your mailbox to show only messages you haven't opened yet, and it pulls them from across your folders, not just the main inbox. If you don't see Smart Views, try expanding the sidebar or scrolling. Sometimes it's collapsed by default. With the Unread view open, look at the top of the message list and click the checkbox. This selects the first visible batch of messages, usually around 25 to 40, depending on your layout. As soon as you do this, a blue link will appear near the top of the list that says something like Select all X messages in Unread, where the number reflects the total unread count. Click that blue link to select every unread email across this view in one move. This is the key step that saves time, especially if you have thousands of messages. Now that everything is selected, click the Delete button, which looks like a trash can icon. This moves all the selected unread emails to your trash folder. They're not gone forever yet, but they're out of your inbox and other folders. To permanently remove them, go to the left sidebar and open Trash, sometimes labeled Deleted Items. If you still see messages listed there, you can select them and choose Empty Trash, or click the trash icon again to confirm permanent deletion. Be aware that Yahoo automatically empties trash after 7 days, so if you prefer a safety window, you can skip this step and let Yahoo clear it for you. Once you empty the trash, deletion is permanent and can't be undone. Before you finish, take a moment to scan trash or the unread view for anything important you might want to keep. If you need to preserve certain emails, move them to a folder before deleting. That's all there is to it: quick, clean, and effective.